Hey guys, today we're going to be taking the side panel off. That will give us the opportunity to access the power supply board and the main printer board. The models that we're going to be working on, this is a WF-2930 from EPSON, and 2830 and 2850 printer models are pretty much the same. So, and they're similar, not same, but similar with the way that it's built here on the left side. So don't forget to like, and let's get right to it. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna need to check is make sure that it's unplugged from the back. The printer is unplugged from the back. Any tabs that we see here are removed, and there could be tabs here in the USB section, so make sure that's all out. Then we're going to go ahead and lift the printer top. That's the top that you lift when you're changing ink cartridges. Don't get it confused just with the scanner top. So both of these sections go up like this here, and then we're going to find a screw right here, and it's a Phillips head screwdriver that we need. We're going to remove the screw here. So after we remove this screw right here, don't worry about these two right here, just this one. We're going to go ahead and go over here, and you can see there's one right there, hiding right under the cover. Okay, get that screw out. Okay, from this point, we have two screws out. That's all we need. We're going to flip it on its side, flip the printer on its side. And you don't have to do that, it's just that so I can show you where the clips are located. There's tabs right here that need to be pressed in. Okay, so it's this tab right here and this one over here. They're going to need to pressed in, and then we're going to slide this out. So let's go ahead and press this one in, press that one in there. That releases the side panel, and then we have the two screws out. Okay, I'm going to try to demonstrate it one more time. I have them clipped in now, and we're going to try to do it if you don't want to flip the printer on its side, which really is not going to hurt it, but you can find those tabs just by feeling down there. See, it releases it there, and then we can just slide this panel out, just like that, which is very simple. When you put it back, make sure you just slide it in the correct slots. So this goes on top, the plastic here goes on top of this one, and then make sure the clips on the bottom slide in and into the right slots. So here we have access to our power supply right there, and also our main board is right here. It's a little bit difficult to get to things here, but if you need to see what's your part number connections here, like for example this one has access to it, some wires that you can reach, you can get more access to it if you remove more of the plastics, and that's in our taking apart video that we have for this model. If you want to replace the power supply, which is this unit right here, you can see the part number there. It's this 223085566, I believe. So there's a screw right there, that one, and also on the bottom it's that one there. So these two need to be removed in order to take the power supply out. I'll just demonstrate it real quick. Okay, so as soon as I remove those screws, one on the bottom and right there, I'm able to pull the power supply, and it disconnects over on this side over here. So if you're replacing that, you're going to connect it and then push it in here. Make sure you don't jam any wires, and just put the screw back over here and in here. So after you've done your checking or replacing, you can just go ahead and slide this in here. Slide straight on there, and then check the bottom, of course. Make sure these tabs slide in there. There we go. And then you're just going to go ahead and put the screws back. Put the one in the back already in. And this is the second one. And you're all set to go. So this is our, once again, the 2930 printer that we have, which is very similar when it comes to the side panel and the power supply construction as 2830 and 2850. The power supply and the board are probably going to be different part number from each of the models, but that's how you get to it. So thank you so much for staying with us. Subscribe to our channel and have a great day.